What up, everybody? How you guys doing today? Today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the new for 2023 Collector's Minion from Spirit Halloween. Alright guys, so this guy just dropped on the website the other day and I decided to buy him. Don't really know why, honestly. Just I needed content, and also this guy's new, and yeah, I like getting all the new stuff. First thing, my girlfriend is behind the camera. She's gonna be laughing probably.
No, I won't.
My intro, so.
Whatever.
Okay, so let's get into this unboxing. I'm kind of excited, kind of not. Not expecting a ton of great things from this guy, but maybe he'll surprise me, because from what I've seen on video, he's a little interesting. So, actually, first thing coming out right here is the adapter. Yeah, standard adapter. For party time, this guy's made by Party Time, so yeah. Here's the instructions. They're good quality, they're not just paper, so hopefully they don't rip. And yeah, I don't think I'll be really using them today because it's not really a hard setup.
He's a pro, guys.
I am. Here's the bag.
It's realistic. I like it.
I do like the blood. The old collector did not have blood. That's the main reason I got this guy, because I knew he had blood. And ooh, crap! I just see the face right there. And the big collector. This guy is like, if you guys remember Young Crouchy, Crouchy was like 7 feet, and then Young Crouchy was about 4 feet tall. This guy was the old collector. Same thing. This guy, instead of Young Collector, he's Collector's Minion. So it's a little interesting. I don't own the actual collector, yeah. He does have blood, which is some great detail. It looks like everything's ready to just come out right here. Let's see if I can get the head. It looks like I can. Okay, guys, this is the Collector's Minion's head. I do love the blood on the mouth. It looks really nice. What's actually cool about this head is you can see all the mechanics in there, which I've never really seen that with a prop, so that's cool. Next, we have a whole crap ton of stuff coming out. Okay. I don't know what that was. So right here we have both arms and the whole mechanism torso piece with the speaker, which is not the big booming speaker that a bunch of them have been using, like Possessed Pumpkin and all that, but still not a bad speaker nonetheless. And of course, the hands are posable and they do have blood on them, so that's awesome.
We're going crazy over this blood. I love it.
Here we have another big bunch of stuff. This is the base, the support legs, and the hip loop. So it'll be framing and all that. And then last thing right here, we have all the clothing and stuff like that. So yeah, not a ton of parts, but yeah, hopefully shouldn't be too bad of a setup. All right, and that is going to conclude the unboxing portion of this video. Now let's get to the setup. Done setting him up. What do you think of the looks? Like, just looking at him.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh. Better than I thought, honestly. Yeah. I like it.
I guess.
The height is doing it for me. It's a little silly.
It's not as small as I thought it was going to be, but it's still pretty small. All right. Let's just plug it in. I'm going to move it back a little bit. Okay, here we go. Plugging it in for the first time.
Does it have like a sensor? Like,
My master awaits.
Jeez.
Must get
try that one more time. It kind of fell apart, and I had to move the piece a little bit up because the mechanism was getting like stuck. So we're gonna try that again.
My master awaits. Must get flesh. Must get souls. Your flesh will feed the great evil. Your soul will quench its thirst.
All right, guys. So that is the new for 2023 Collector's Minion from Spirit Halloween. One thing I will say is getting his bag on was quite a strenuous task.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, very difficult. Also, his mechanism had a couple issues. Like with the shoulder frame, it kept getting stuck on that and kind of created like a clicking noise. You guys could hear in the first demo. But other than that, he's great. I didn't expect to like him this much, but he's pretty cool. I think he'll definitely work kind of in like a graveyard setting. What do you think?
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Now, the question is he worth the $150 price tag?
Okay. I am not an expert like Bodie Pierce here. It just seems like a lot of money to spend on something like this, but in reality, it's probably worth it.
Okay. I think this guy, in terms of spirit, it's worth 150, but in terms of actual, like, just what you're getting, I would say, here's the thing. I paid 180 because I didn't use a freaking 20% off coupon, so that would help. If you use a 20% off coupon, I'd say go for it, but if you don't have a coupon, I say he's not just worth the original 150. But yeah, I will leave a link in the description if you would like to buy the Collector's Minion, and I will also leave a link in the description to buy the merch. And other than that, aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.